This book is really fascinating. So if you've ever heard of Swedish death cleaning, it sounds like really intense and really wild, but it's not. But it's a really, really good method to decluttering your home and just really focusing on having elements and items that are, more so important to you and not so sentimental, if that makes sense. So this book is The Essential Art of Swedish Death Cleaning, a practical and unsentimental guide to organize and declutter your home and life. So I think this is really important. It's a really important concept because you think of minimalists and everything that we have, we just have so much stuff, right? We're a consumer-based society here in the US, especially. So this book was really, really good. It walks you through so many different areas. You have a really good table of contents in here. So it'll walk you through specifically what exactly is the death cleaning, how to prepare for it, how to deal with maybe friends or family. So just say that you're getting rid of certain things, maybe that your family is so sentimental with. So really having those difficult conversations, also making decisions on personal items, like which ones should you keep, which ones should you not. There's a lot of really good integration information, like how do you actually integrate this into your day-to-day. Maybe you're doing this periodically, every month, every year, etc. So I really like this. I like that it has a digital content section as well, because again, now in the digital age, we're holding on to photos, we're holding on to all kinds of things online and maybe in a digital format. So how do you look at that and declutter that? This is a quick read. It's about 130 pages, but I really like it, especially if you're looking to gravitate more towards the minimalistic movement and just really try to declutter your life for your mental and your physical space.